In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture in Confluence. Having a clear, recognizable profile picture makes it easier for your teammates to identify you in comments, pages, and notifications. Let's walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have your own image set up and ready to go. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence account in your web browser. Once you're on any Confluence page, look towards the top of the screen, usually in the upper right-hand corner. You should see your current avatar. If you haven't set one yet, this might appear as your initials inside a colored circle, or a default user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile area. When you click your avatar, a small menu or profile panel will open. Here, you'll usually see options like Profile, Settings, and maybe links to other Atlassian products. What you want to do is click on Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can view and edit your details. On your profile page, you'll see your name, role or job title if it's set, and your current profile image. Right near that image, there should be an option labeled Add Profile Picture or Change Profile Picture, depending on whether you already have one. Click on that option to start updating your photo. A window or a dialog box will open, asking you to upload an image from your computer. Before you choose a file, it's a good idea to select a clear, professional-looking picture. Ideally one where your face is centered and well lit. Most common image formats like JPG and PNG are supported, but try to keep the file size reasonable so it uploads quickly. Click the Upload or Browse button, locate your chosen picture on your device, and confirm. Confluence will usually show you a preview of the image and may allow you to crop or reposition it so your face is centered. Take a moment to adjust the crop if needed, then save or confirm your changes. Once you save, the window will close, and your new profile picture will appear on your profile page and across Confluence. If it doesn't update